ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટુ ઓલ. ટુડે ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ ધ વેસ્ટ વોટર એન્જિનિયરિંગ. આજનો ટોપિક છે વેસ્ટ વોટર કલેક્શન સિસ્ટમ. તો ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું આપણે. તો વોટ ઇઝ ધ સિસ્ટમ ઇન અ સેવરેજ સિસ્ટમ or waste water collection system is a network of pipes, pumping stations and appendants that convey the sewage. Now, from its points for origin and the point of the treatment and disposal. Now, the wastewater treatment service system of the this basis. તો વોટ ઇઝ વેસ્ટ વોટર કલેક્શન સિસ્ટમ એ જોઈએ આપણે. તો સમ ઓફ ધ રિસોર્સિસ ઓન અ વેસ્ટ વોટર કલેક્શન સિસ્ટમ. હવે એને ડેફિનેશન જોઈએ આપણે. શું કીધું છે કે કેરેક્ટરાઇઝેશન્સ અને ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ઓફ વેસ્ટ વોટર એના ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન્સના બેઝિસ પર જોઈએ. ફેઝફુલી એન્ડ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ જેના ટર્મ્સ છે તે જોઈએ. એસ્ટિમેશન અને વેરિએશન્સ ઓફ વેસ્ટ વોટર ફ્લોઝ કયા છે, પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ ઓફ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ વેસ્ટ વોટર્સ કયા છે. ઓકે, તો ડેફિનેશન્સના બેસિસ પર જોઈએ કે સિસ્ટમ કમ્પોઝડ ઓફ અ ગ્રેવિટી પાઇપ્સ, મેનહોલ્સ, ટેન્ક્સ, લિફ્ટ સ્ટેશન્સ, કંટ્રોલ સ્ટ્રક્ચર અને ફોર્સ મેઇન that gather use water from residential and non-residential customers and convey the flow to the wastewater treatment plant. Okay, this is a wastewater collection system definition part. This one. Okay, definitions. A system composed of gravity pipes, manholes, tanks, lift stations, control structure, and force mains that gather use water from residential and non-residential customers and they convey the flow to the wastewater treatment plant. Now, what is the system? What are some types of collection system? How the when it learns the three types: the waste collection system, sanitary sewer systems, storm water system and combined system. તો એની મેથડ જોઈશું આપણે કે કલેક્શન સિસ્ટમ. વોટ ઇઝ ધ કલેક્શન સિસ્ટમ? The refers to the system of underground pipes and maintains structure that are used to convey wastewater to a wastewater treatment facilities. The use of collection system has brought dramatic improvements to public health in a major cities. Now, what are the three main types of wastewater? જે આપણે ઓલરેડી ડિસ્કસ કરી ગયા હતા આગળ, પણ જે સેવેજ ટાઈપ છે ડોમેસ્ટિક, ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ અને સ્ટ્રોમ સ્વેજ. ઓકે, તો આ એક પોઈન્ટ છે તે નોટ ડાઉન કરી લો તમે ખાસ કે there are three types of waste water હે ને, ઓફ સેવેજ, ડોમેસ્ટિક સ્વેજ, ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ સેવેજ અને સ્ટ્રોમ સ્વેજ. The domestic sewage carriers use water from and apparatus. It is also called sanitary sewage. The industrial sewage is a use water from manufacturing or chemical processes. Okay. Now what is the purpose? કે પર્પઝના બેસિસ પર જોઈએ તો જે વેસ્ટ વોટર ટ્રીટમેન્ટ છે, ઓકે, થ્રી ટાઈપ્સ જે આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા. ધીસ વન દેર આર થ્રી ટાઈપ્સ. ઓકે, તો વેસ્ટ વોટર ઓર સેવેજ, ડોમેસ્ટિક સેવેજ, ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ સેવેજ અને સ્ટ્રોમ સેવેજ. The domestic sewage carriers use water from houses and apartments. It is also called sanitary sewage. Industrial sewage is used water from manufacturing or chemical processes. This one. The wastewater collection system conveys the wastewater and solid to a treatment plant. where the pollutants are removed before the water is discharged to a body of water. In most cases of wastewater collection system conveys the wastewater by gravity utilizing the natural slope of the land. This one. A sanitary sewer or fall sewer is an underground pipe or tunnel system for transporting sewage from houses and commercial buildings, but not storm water to treatment facilities or disposal. And the sanitary sewers serving industrial area also carry industrial wastewater. Okay. What is the process of the collection? Okay, details में જોઈએ હવે આપણે. Which one? This is water collection systems. This is the wastewater collection systems. What is the definitions? System composed gravity pipes, manholes, tanks, lift stations, control structure, and force mains that gather use the water from the residential અને નોન રેસિડેન્શિયલ એરિયા. બે એરિયા ચૂઝ કરવા પડે, એક તો રેસિડેન્શિયલ્સ અને નોન રેસિડેન્શિયલ્સ. The customers and conveys the flow to the wastewater treatment plant, wastewater collection system operations and management. Okay, this is the definitions. Now related resources. मैं તમને ફોન કર્યો ને મેસેજ કરવાનો હતો હવે કામ બી આવે એમ કે સ્કૂલમાં છે ને મેડમ બતાવને નેટા AWA in the branching performances management for water and wastewater utilities in an ever-changing environment. Utility managers must balance the need for regulations and customers' expectations and deliver a quality product with well-received rate. Benchmarking remained a consistent tool અને જે વોટર સેક્ટર ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ છે more than 20 years as a method to support a utility and a continuous improvement efforts.
कौन किसके बारे में? हाँ प्रियंका मैडम का भी बोला कि
Now, the wastewater collection system is a wastewater treatment process. Once water is used, then whether it come from kitchens, bathrooms, or also sinks, it is collected in a large pipe and conveyed to the wastewater reclamations. Some facilities for treatment. The collection system include gravity serves, force, and the pumping equipment to move the water in the lines from homes and business to the wastewater reclamation facilities It is important to understand that the velocities or span of the wastewater flowing through the collection system and the treatment facilities plays a major role of this treatment. Which one is a major role of this treatment? Now the simply ability to properly handle. Simply one example, record. Wastewater must flow at a velocities of at least 2 feet per second to the prevent excessive material અને જે settling points છે simply a collection system. If this happens, the blockage and serves backups for this time period. Now, what is the component of the wastewater collection system? Okay, for wastewater collection system માં જોઈએ આપણે building serves also known as the property service and some connections part or the PSCS are those that connected the building internal wastewater collections system to the municipal serve systems for a simply which one the property service connections can connect to a lateral main or trunk serve line. Now the lateral and branch serves are the upper end of the municipal serve system. The lateral lead and their upstream branches. Okay, simply this connection system અને જે lateral serve lines છે એ આપણે theory and design of the streamsમાં જોઈ ગયા છે. So what is the problems of industrial wastewater? The sampling protocols for equalizations of the neutralizations, proposing processes, volume and strength. Okay. Now, the wastewater collection system. This is a slide. Okay, what is the objective? To learn basics concept of the wastewater engineering, origin, quantities, some characteristics, and the carriages. Okay. Second point, to design wastewater collection system. Third one, to design various water treatment processes. What is the textbooks? This one. The first one, basic terms. What is a sewage? This one. Basic terms for sewage and sewer. Now, it is the liquid waste or wastewater produced as a result of water use. And the second one, it is a pipe of conduit for carrying sewage. It is generally closed and flow tanks placed under the gravities. Source of wastewater, domestic, industrial and storm water. The first one, it is the wastewater from houses and offices. And industries પ્રમાણે વર્ક કરી થાય. It is a liquid waste from industrial processes. Third one, storm water. It includes the surface runoff generated by rainfall and the street wash. Now, what is the component of the wastewater engineering? First one is the collection system and the second is the disposal. The first one, network of the sewer pipes. Second one is the sewage pumping station and outfalls. And the last, the third one is the treatment of work, the wastewater treatment plant. Okay, this is the pictures for overall wastewater plant. Types of sewers. Okay, note down this all point. Sanitary sewers, storm sewers, combined sewers, house sewers and lateral sewers. This sewers carries discharge from house sewers. Okay, types of sewers. Submain, these sewers receive discharge from the two or more laterals. And the main trunk sewers receive discharge from two or more submains. Outfall, it is the received discharge from all this collecting system and a point of the final disposals. Okay, this is the basic concept A main trunk serves, outflow serves, sub main serves. So what is the flow rate in this house servers માટે જે આવ્યા છે અલગ અલગ ટાઈપ. This is the houses. ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ સિસ્ટમ જે આપણે સેપરેટ સિસ્ટમ જેમાં જે ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ છે તમને બતાવવામાં આવેલી છે. ફર્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ ધ સેનિટરી પાવર, સેકન્ડ વન ઇઝ ધ વેસ્ટ વોટર ટ્રીટમેન્ટ પ્લાન્ટ અને થર્ડ વન ઇઝ ધ ટ્રીટેડ વેસ્ટ વોટર. Okay, this is a separated system. How to separate is the wastewater. Okay, types of combined system માટે આપણી છે અલગ અલગ. Okay, thank you so much.